Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, yesterday I predicted the move, which I was even contemplating which POI is likely to hold. But I mentioned earlier that I would be focusing on this one and see the price reaction in that level. And because it is the POI closest to it is the POI closest to the liquidity, which is our inducement. So today the price delivery is still ongoing. As you can see, I normally target something like 3 hour, not much more than that, but still I am expecting price to come all the way down to this level. So as you can see, this is it. But today we are going to be checking NASDAQ. I only trade these two, NASDAQ and gold. So now we are going to check NASDAQ and see what we have. So starting from weekly time frame, I analyzed this week's beginning of this week. I analyzed that price will come and take this low, and so in the opening of the new week, we have seen that price already swept this low and started going back up. So as you can see, we have taken buy side liquidity here, and since buy side liquidity is taken, now our main aim is to see sell side liquidity taken. Looking at this weekly time frame, you can see that we don't have a close into a certain direction, either down or above. If not, we would have been maybe more skeptical about the trade. But now, since that previous week didn't it just closed inside and its low is taken, which means our next target will be this. So now we'll be expecting price to come and take previous week's high. So now let's dive into daily time frame to frame the entire, let us see what we have and what we might anticipate and what we can target, and also an ideal position to start taking trades from. So after liquidity sweep, we have also identified an order block here. That is order block. I think I will use this line so that it will look more clean. So this is it. We have an order block plus liquidity sweep. This is a plus. I look for this always. I always use liquidity sweep followed by a key level so that it will back my bias, including with a breakup structure to the upside. But since it is daily time frame, I use that famous term that I used to use, which is continuation candle. This is my reversal candle, sorry, and this is the continuation candle. So this is it. So now we have framed it. We have framed the daily time frame. We have identified our key level followed by a liquidity sweep. Now we also know where price is likely to go. So what we want to see now is, if you look at this clearly, you will see that what price did here is it started bullish momentum reversal. Now it is even reversing back into discount before trading back higher. What I would like to see a lower time frame is to go into lower time frame and find my most ideal range so that I can take my trade inside discount, because buy in the discount and sell in the premium. By following that, it will save you a lot of money. So now let's go to the lower time frame and see. We'll start from this is where I look for my range for our time frame. This is it. But for extra confirmation, I will use lines to see if it is a real. So yeah, just so back to this. So now let's see. This is the candle responsible for this movement. Here we are, and we are presented with BPR, balanced price range. I would like to see price do something like this. Something like this, create an inducement here where price will come and take it, find support from this level, then shoot off to the target. But price is fractal and it cannot just keep going. It will be create, it moves in waves. So it will be doing something like that. I believe be creating waves, and even till it reaches this target. So this is my analysis. This is my top-down analysis on weekly time on the NASDAQ. This is what I'm expecting. See, yes. So result or outcome will be sent into it will be posted on my channel so that it will be seen. It's better to be seeing results of what you are doing or what you are learning, so that you are not doing rubbish. So this is what I have on NASDAQ. I'm bullish till proven otherwise. So while screenshotting, I have also noticed something. I have noticed that so after this price it has taken this buy side liquidity, but price couldn't. This is how the move started. It started from here, came back here, respected this supply zone, then came back down, but then sweep this liquidity. But price couldn't break this low, and by not being able to break this low, it automatically make this high a weak low and a new target. So price is most likely going to come and take this. Why? Because it is a weak low, and price once we weak high, once price swept other side, the origin or where the move started or the origin of the leg will automatically become the new target. So now I'll be waiting for price to reverse into the discount level of my range before taking trade up to that level. So this is it. Bye. Thank you very much. So don't forget to subscribe and also come back for more. Thank you very much. Yours, Yusuf D.